Curly Sue wants to make a little present so that we won't overeat. Guess in which hand it is. It's a tiny Bounty bar. Break cookies and smash them into fine crumbs using a pestle. Pour in some condensed milk and stir. Add some grated coconut. Shape 2 oval candies out of the prepared mix on parchment paper. Melt dark chocolate and pour it on top of the candies. Spread the chocolate over the entire surface using a stick. Print out a small Bounty bar label. Fasten it with double-sided tape. Meanwhile, the chocolate gets hard. Take the candies off the parchment paper and put them into the tiny package. Cut the edges, making a zigzag. I open up the Micro Bounty. This is the perfect size to eat a yummy and not put on extra calories. The baby Bounty is as delicious inside as its big brother. Blondie must be about something. If there is a baby Choco, why not try to make a giant Chocotella? I like the idea. Melt equal amounts of white and dark confectionery chocolate in one container. Pour out the mixture into a chocolate bar mold. Let it harden, then take it out when it is ready. Make 9 identical bars. Spread a layer of melted chocolate over baking paper using a board. Once it hardens, attach your DIY chocolate bars to it using some more melted chocolate. Wrap up the giant chocolate bar with foil. Take a big sheet of brown paper, fold, and fasten it to be of the same size as the chocolate bar. Attach white letters to form the label. Put the giant chocolate bar into the package. This bar of chocolate is really hard. One person can neither hold it nor eat it. A whole team is needed to finish it. This is not just a bar of chocolate, it's a whole paradise for chocoholics. Is a jar of chocolate spread way too big to take along? Curly Sue has made a miniature version of Nutella. Cover the cap of any empty glitter container with white acrylic paint. Cut a piece of a label out of a Nutella and Go package and attach it to the container. Put in the chocolate spread. Put on the cap. This mini container is so comfy, it will fit into any bag. You may even put it into a pocket. A secret chocolate snack will always be on hand. Is Curly Sue feeling unhappy? I bring muffins for any taste to cheer her up. A regular one and a gigantic one. Choose which one you like the most. Mix dry ingredients. 3 cups of flour, 3.5 ounces of confectionery chocolate, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of sugar, and 0.6 ounces of baking powder. Take 8 eggs and separate the whites from the yolks. Add half a cup of sugar to the whites and whip them to make foam. Whip the yolks with half a cup of sugar in the same way. Pour the yolks into the dry mixture. Add half of the whites and mix it. Then, put in the rest of the whites. Smear a baking mold with vegetable oil or butter. Pour in the dough and bake it at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for around 1 hour. Turn over the mold and remove the muffin. You will need whipped cream colored with food colorings for the cream. Shape the cream into a spiral pattern. Add sweet embellishments and candies on top of the cream to decorate the muffin. Curly Sue, meet the Great Muffin! You can beat any depression with its fabulous cream dress. And the muffin itself can supply us with food for a whole week. The girls can barely move after the huge amount of sweets they've eaten. The Sweet Tooth Society meeting is over. Did you like our giant and tiny sweet ideas? Then write in your comments which you liked the most, a giant muffin or teeny donuts. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss the sweetest videos on the Troom Troom channel.